Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Reminders app and selecting the specific list you want colored. This focuses changes only where you need them. Make sure your device is unlocked and synced so changes propagate across devices. Once the list is visible, tap the three-dot menu or Edit button to reveal list settings. You're doing this because list-level color keeps related reminders visually grouped, making scanning and prioritizing faster. Now choose the color or appearance option inside the list settings so your visual change is deliberate and persistent. You'll see swatches or a palette. Pick a color that conveys urgency or category because colors help your brain sort items quickly. After selecting, tap Apply or Done. This updates the list header and often the dot or icon beside each reminder. Once applied, make sure existing reminders reflect the color. If not, try reloading the list to force the update. Finish by tapping Save or Done so the app writes your new color to the list. This step commits the change. Then verify across devices or after restarting the app to ensure sync completed, because colors rely on account synchronization. If the color didn't stick, toggle the app sync or internet, sign out and back in, or reinstall as a final measure. This resolves most caching or account issues. Keep one key tip in mind. Inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.